everyone, welcome back to Buckle Up and Explore. My name is Nidhi Chauhan and yes, आज वापस से घर से फिल्म कर रहे हैं because as you know काफ़ी ज़्यादा मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है and एब्डोमेन में, अपर एब्डोमेन में बिकॉज ऑफ सम डाइजेस्टिव इशू. अभी मुझे नहीं पता क्या है. आई एम टेकिंग केयर ऑफ इट बट मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता चला क्या है. सो वील कंटिन्यू विद द रिव्यू वीडियोज़. तो इस बार आई एम गोइंग टू रिव्यू TAC, दैट इज़ द आयुर्वेदा को. एंड ये जो कंपनी है इनका स्लोगन ही है आपका अपना आयुर्वेदा. नाउ as you all know कि बाकी chemicals and everything is okay, but you do need natural organic products in your life, and what better than Ayurveda? We Indians have it since so many years and it has helped everyone in every way, so why not use it for your skin care, hair care and so on. तो आज मेरे पास 3 products है. I am going to review all the 3. I will show it to y'all and then if you all like it, y'all can buy it. सबकी डिटेल्स, सबका लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में है नीचे. सो आफ्टर दिस वीडियो इज ओवर यू कैन ओपन द डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड चेक दैट आउट. आई हैव 3 products. द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज दिस, that is their 7% Kumkumadi face wash. Now what is Kumkumadi? That is saffron. So this face wash is with saffron and 24 karat gold. Now मेरी जो sister है नेहा, she had received this before me and I used it. So even if I am telling you about this right now, but I have used one whole face wash by TAC and let me tell you, they actually give you a very good glow. Now क्योंकि 24 karat gold है, वो actually आपको gold glow देता है. So अभी I'm not washing my face and showing it to you, but I will put it over here. This is how it looks. Can you see? जो gold का मैं बात कर रही थी, see this. So it has this gold extract and you actually get that golden glow. Now इसके अंदर क्या क्या ingredients है मैं आपको वो बता देती हूँ and in that I'll insert the video of me washing my face. So you have to use this twice daily. It gives you a golden glow, healthy and smooth skin, toned and youthful texture. So what you have to do is first you have to wet your face and neck, squeeze the face wash on your palms, massage in circular motion and so that it brings the impurities to the surface and wash off and pat dry. Senses your pH. It's 100% vegan. It's cruelty free and like I told you इसमें कुमकुमादी एक्सट्रैक्ट है, गोल्ड डस्ट है, मोरिंगा है, रोज पाउडर है, बाला एक्सट्रैक्ट है, सैंडलवुड है, एलोवेरा एक्सट्रैक्ट, ऑरेंज पील एक्सट्रैक्ट एंड सो मच गुडनेस. सो यू कैन रियली यूज दिस. दिस is a 100 ml package that costs you 299 rupees. Next one is their Eladi sunscreen with neem. Now this is again SPF 50. It's mattifying. It's broad spectrum with UVA, UVB, PA triple plus. It has 0 white cast, non-greasy, best मेरे जैसे लोगों के लिए. I have extremely oily skin and all of you already know this by now. And this is for all skin types. Also it gives you oil free protection, so this is a very good thing. Now I will show you how it looks. This is how it looks and इसको I will show you इसकी consistency कैसी है. So as you can see it looks like this. Now इसका जो consistency है for all the girls who do makeup, they will understand. Can you see ये कैसा दिख रहा है? So this looks somewhat like a primer. Let's apply it on the face. So बाहर जाने के 15 से 20 मिनट पहले you just have to apply it all over your face and उसके बाद you have to retouch up after every 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so no zero cast, बिल्कुल भी white cast नहीं है. And because it looks like a primer, I think it does the work also like that only. It's mattifying and it is looking very matte. I mean, what else do you want? जिनको इतना ज़्यादा oil आता है, this is the perfect sunscreen for you guys. So can you see my face? It is so matte. और अगर मैं ऐसे करके भी दिखाऊँ तो कुछ नहीं है. There's no white cast. This is really very good. This is a 50 gram pack for 499 rupees and it is totally worth it, you girls. You should definitely buy it. I'll tell you some of the ingredients and I am going to look and tell so that I don't get it wrong. So they have eladi extract, they have neem extract, raspberry oil, avocado oil, aloe vera oil, carrot seed oil, and all these goodness with some of the other things like aqua glycerine. But all this is 100% organic, it's natural, it has 100% natural zinc oxide and it's Ayurvedic. So it's really very good. Let's move on to the next product. Now the last product is something that all you girls use. Not only girls, even guys use sometimes, and it is a must. It is this TAC's Indian Rose Lip Butter. So they have a lot of lip balms and lip butters, but I will show you the Indian Rose Lip Butter. Now this is a 5 gram pack. It costs 395 rupees. You saw how this looks, right? This is how it looks. अंदर का डब्बा ऐसा दिखता है lip butter का. Now because this is Indian Rose, इसमें सिर्फ rose की fragrance नहीं है. You get the actual rose petals in it. You won't believe me. I am going to show it to you right now. Can you see this? I mean, इससे ज़्यादा natural organic और क्या होगा? They literally have rose petals in it and oh my god, it smells also just like roses and it is so refreshing. इसके भी थोड़े ingredients मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. It has rose essential oil, it has rose petals, it has cocoa butter, shea butter, it has coconut oil, sunflower oil, castor oil and vitamin E. So this is a very good product. Again, all these products are made with love in India and this is Ayurvedic, so you know it is not going to harm you in any way. अभी I'm not going to put it on my lip because I have a lipstick on, but मैं आपको हाथ पे लगा के दिखाती हूँ. Can you see it? Can you see the shine? So this lip butter is going to help all those girls out there who have dry and chapped lips, or sometimes when you're putting a very harsh lipstick, harsh in the sense जब हम एकदम mattifying lipstick या matte lipstick लगाते हैं that lasts very long time, it causes dryness and chapping of our lips. तो उसके वजह से भी lips chapped हो जाते हैं. So what you can do, you can put this lip butter, let it rest for some time and then put the lipstick. वो matte भी हो जाएगा और आपका जो lip है वो proper भी रहेगा, उसको जितना nutrient nourishment चाहिए वो भी मिलेगा. So this is everything that I have received from TAC. And lip butter के बारे में there's one more thing that I want to tell you, that it also restores the natural color of your lips while keeping them moisturized for long periods, and also it is combined with natural butters and oils to work together to heal and nourish your lip. That's the reason why this is an all season product. You can use it, your husbands, your brothers, anyone can use it, and it is going to be really very good. So it's not just for females, even males can use it. हाँ, ये rose की smell आती है इसमें, but who doesn't like rose, right? Okay, so that's it for this video. अगर आपको पसंद आया हो तो please tell me, leave it in the comments below. Yeah, if you want me to try any other product or review that for you all, let me know that as well. Also, ये सारे products जो मैं आपको बताती हूँ, they are travel friendly and you require it during traveling. That's the reason why I'm telling you. So even if you were traveling, you can use all these products. And until next time, please like, share and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and bye. Keep exploring.